Hi there, welcome to the second part of the programming course. Last part, we got an idea of how to install Python. In this session, we're going to learn how to interact with Python. To write and run Python programs interactively, we can either use the command line window or we can use the IDLE. IDLE is a simple integrated development learning environment that comes with Python. The most important feature of IDLE is that it is a program that allows the user to edit, run, browse, and debug a Python program. Python provides a Python shell which is used to execute a single Python command and display the result. So, for example, if I type 1 plus 1, it would give me the result right away, 2. On opening the Python shell, it shows a message displaying its version and its copyright notice. After this, the command prompt is followed by a blinking cursor is displayed as soon as you open your IDLE, and this indicates that IDLE is now ready to take Python commands from the user. Now let us discuss the Python syntax. The Python syntax refers to a set of rules that define how users and the system should write and interpret a Python program. Number 1. In Python, the data types are inbuilt. The declaration of variables is not required and the memory management is done automatically by Python. Number 2. Whatever values we assign to the variables, the data type of the variable will be the same as the data type of the value. Before learning about the variables in detail, let us understand the basic elements of Python such as character sets, tokens, expressions, statements, input, output, etc. Character set is a set of valid characters recognized by Python. A character represents any letter, digit, or any other symbol. Python uses the traditional ASCII character set. However, the latest version recognizes the Unicode character set as well. The ASCII character set is a subset of the Unicode character set. The recognized characters in Python are the small and capital letters from A to Z, the digits from 0 to 9, special symbols, and all 256 ASCII and Unicode characters. Now let us look at what are tokens. A token is the smallest element of any Python script that is meaningful to the interpreter. There are 5 types of tokens. There are identifiers, there's keywords, literals, operators, and delimiters or punctuators. Now let us look at each of these in detail. The name of any variable, constant, function, or module is called an identifier. Some examples of identifiers are ABC, India underscore 123, X12Y, etc. Keywords. Keywords are the reserved words of Python which have special meaning for the interpreter. None of these keywords can be used as the name of an identifier. Literals. A fixed numeric or non-numeric value is called a literal. It can be defined as a number, text, or other data that represents values that can be stored in variables. Operators. A symbol or a word that performs some kind of operation on a given value and returns a result is an operator. Some examples of operators are plus, minus, slash, asterisk, etc. Delimiters. These are the symbols which can be used as separators of values or to enclose some values. In the next session, we will learn more about variables and more Python programming fundamentals. Thanks for watching.